your phone? Everyone?
Hide my here.
Why? Oh, you have a very big phone.
Okay, come on, come here.
Hello, is this Elias? Can I speak to Elias, please?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Right away?
Yeah.
Is this Astrid? Hey, is this Astrid? Where is Astrid? What are you doing?
Hey. Cheese.
Cheese.
Eli, look, mommy. It's you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What is doing?
Anybody there?
Hello, mommy. That was it. That's like it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Enjoy your afternoon.
Hello.
Hey, hello there. Is this Ate Sisa?
No, I'm not Auntie Sisa.
Where is Ate Sisa right now?
Here, over there. Right, mommy?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Hello, mommy. Hello. And that's
Hello.
mommy.
Hello.
Mommy, hello. Okay. Mommy, hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's yours?
How are you there? Hello. I'm here. Cheese. Wow. How about Elias? You can sit down beside me. Ate Sisa? Hello there. Sit down, Sabi. Did you hide your phone? You can put it here also. There's a lot. Okay. Okay. I will get the phone. Hello, Astrid. What are you doing right now? Bye-bye. Ellie boy? Are you looking for Ellie boy? Hmm? Hello.
Love you, mommy. Bye-bye.
I love you too.
Bye-bye, mommy.
Bye. See you later. How about Astrid?
Hello.
I love you, Astrid.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Astrid. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Hey, hello? I'm here, mommy. Hello. Come on.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, baby.
Hello, mommy.
Hi.
Hello, Jay.
What is it?
What's up, Auntie?
What did you say? You're scratching your phone. What happened to your phone? What? What is it there?
It's a big away. Bye-bye.
Bye.